Welcome to this essential guide on troubleshooting Intune Sync issues. Keeping your devices in sync is crucial for effective device management. Intune synchronization ensures that policies, profiles, and applications are consistently applied across all your managed devices. When sync fails, management halts. Common sync problems range from devices not receiving new configurations to compliance status being outdated. We'll cover steps to resolve these frustrating issues. Before diving into complex logs, let's start with the fundamental checks: connectivity and service health. First, verify that the affected device has stable internet and network connectivity. A weak signal or firewall block can prevent Intune from communicating. Next, check the Microsoft 365 or Intune Service Health dashboard. If there's an active incident, you may just need to wait for Microsoft to resolve the issue. Now let's move to the device level, where many sync issues originate. The quickest fix is often simply to manually trigger async from the device's settings or the company portal app. This forces an immediate check-in with Intune. If the manual sync fails, dive into device logs. For Windows, check the event viewer or generate an MDM diagnostics report for detailed errors. An out-of-date or non-compliant device status can also block sync. Ensure the device meets all compliance policies. Resolve any compliance warnings first. If the device side seems fine, the next area to investigate is the Intune Admin Center. As an administrator, you can also initiate a remote sync action directly from the Intune Admin Center for the affected device. Always review the device's properties in the Admin Center, specifically the last sync time, to understand how long the issue has persisted. Ensure that the policies you expect to apply are correctly assigned to the user or device group, and look out for any policy conflicts that might be causing sync failure. If basic and admin center checks don't work, consider these advanced steps. For persistent issues, especially those related to enrollment, try retiring the device from Intune and re-enrolling it. Be aware that this is a drastic step. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact Microsoft support. Be sure to provide all collected diagnostic information and logs for a faster resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to efficiently troubleshoot and resolve the majority of your Intune Sync issues. Thanks for watching.